Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amber and stainless steel earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wrap our amber pendant, and we're going to want to take the stainless steel wire. This is a 20 gauge, and I'm just going to string that through to about the midway of the wire, and then I'm going to have both of the wires come together at the top, so that they're like this. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to have one go straight up so that it's like this. And then I'm going to take this other wire and I'm going to coil it around the bottom. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire after I've wrapped that around a couple times. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put them at the top. And I'm going to bend that away from me, creating a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to put my pliers in there. And I'm just going to wrap that around, creating a little loop. And then while that loop's open, I'm going to put on my stainless steel component. I'm going to hold the pliers right here, and I'm going to coil this wire back around a few times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire, and then that's attached. Then I'm going to take my 4mm jump ring, pick it up, and I'm going to hold it with the pliers in one hand. Then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm just going to gently twist that open. Then I can attach this component to the next component. And then I'm just going to take my pliers and gently twist that back into place so that my jump ring's closed. And then all I need to do is attach my ear wire. So I'm just going to open that up. My component on there. I'm just going to push that back into place. And that's all you need to make these beautiful amber earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.